Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put on bands on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So we have the top and the bottom. Now what we want to do is take our band and here we can basically put it like that. As you guys can see, we have those little something looking like the USB-C or something, but it's not that. Basically it's for the band to stick in. So now we need to press it like that. As you guys can see, the band is here and stable, and now we gotta do it with the second one. So as you guys can see here, we need to plug it into this little port. Now let's do that. And as you guys can see, now it's holding up, and now we can finally put it on our wrist. So basically that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.